We have three 8mm nuts. We're going to go ahead and remove this one here, this one right here, and there's one right in the center of the taillight right here. Let's go ahead and loosen and get those out. With those nuts removed, press in on this little tab on the side of the wire harness connector and wiggle this out. There's one more connector on the back right here. We're going to go ahead and reach up there with a pair of small needle nose pliers. I'm just going to grab the little connector, pull in the little tab, and pull this connector right out. And go ahead and tilt this down. And we can work that tail light out and out of the body. Now for your installation, you want to line up the studs on the tail light with the holes in the trunk lid. Line that up, get that tail light installed. Now we'll raise up the deck lid and continue installation from there. Go ahead and install the outer screws here. Now we'll go ahead and get the last nut installed right on the back side of the tail light. Once those are installed, we'll go ahead and snug those down. Once those are snug, go ahead and grab your harness here, line that up with the upper bulb, press it in. You hear a click right there, and grab the other harness, line that up, press that in. You get a click right there.